Yo, are you a console streamer and you want to have sound alerts? I just figured out how you can have sound alerts for your Twitch streams. Easy as pie. Basically, all you need to do is set up your Twitch email, right, on your phone, right? So you basically need to get an app. One that I use is called Zedge ringtones. So once you get zedge ringtones, basically you're able to change the notification sound of your email. So if you do it right and you use the one specifically for your Twitch email, you can have an easy sound alert for your Twitch stream whenever someone follows you. Now, I'm not an affiliate yet. We are actually 10 away from becoming an affiliate, but so I do not know if it shows up on your email if someone subs, but I can imagine it does. But again, you guys, this is pretty awesome. Whenever I get a follow on Twitch, this is what happens, okay? So I hope this video helped you guys out, and if it did, please don't forget to subscribe, like the video, hit the notification bell, and also if you would like to catch my stream, I stream every Friday, Saturday, Sunday at 11 p.m. Mountain Standard Time on Twitch. Link in the description below. So I hope you guys have a good day, and we'll see you next time.